First, the big claim, very important. Corporations and governments tried to hide borax because it works too well. There is no evidence for this. Borax, sodium tetraborate, is still widely sold today. It's used in laundry boosters, cleaning products, and industry. Regulations didn't hide it. They focused on safety concerns. This is a common internet pattern. Take a real product, add conspiracy, build trust with grandma knew better. Now, what borax actually is: a naturally occurring mineral salt. Mildly alkaline, has cleaning ability, antifungal, antibacterial effects, limited, water softening properties. So yes, it does work for many cleaning tasks. What's true in the video: these uses are chemically reasonable and often valid, with caution. Cleaning, deodorizing. Garbage cans, carpets, drains, mild effect. Shoes works because raises pH, bacteria struggle, helps break down organic material. Thermios, laundry booster. Softens hard water, helps detergents work better. This is real chemistry, ion binding. Mercury, pest control. Ants, borax, plus sugar bait can kill ants. But it's still a toxic substance to insects and harmful if ingested by pets, kids. Mold mildew cleaning, surface level, can help clean mold on surfaces, but does not replace proper mold removal in serious cases. Garden micronutrient, boron. Boron is essential for plants, but very easy to overdose, can kill plants. This is why warnings exist. What's misleading or overhyped? Modern science fully confirms grandma was right on everything. Not true. Some uses are valid. Others are unsafe, outdated, or incomplete. First, borax is completely safe if used correctly. This is dangerously oversimplified reality. Can irritate. Skin. Eyes. Lungs, powder. Toxic if ingested. Harmful to pets, especially cats, dogs. Better than commercial products. Not always. Modern products are more targeted, often safer for specific uses, tested under controlled conditions. Eyes kills fungus deeply, toenails, athlete's foot, etc. This is exaggerated. Borax may inhibit fungi, but it is not a reliable medical treatment. Toenail fungus especially lives deep under nail, requires medical treatment, or safe for food surfaces, cutting boards, fridge. This is risky. That's why agencies advised against it. Residue ingestion is the concern. Goes to fireproofing fabrics at home. This is not safe to DIY. Fire safety requires tested, certified treatments. What you should not do, important. Avoid using borax for skin treatments, feet, fungal infections, etc. Anything ingested, obviously. Baby-related items, diapers, surfaces. Food contact surfaces, unless extremely well rinsed. DIY fireproofing. What borax is actually good for, safe zone. Use it for laundry boosting, cleaning non-food surfaces, deodorizing, trash, carpets, shoes, occasional pest control, carefully. Why this video feels so convincing? It uses powerful psychological hooks. Grandma knew better, trust, hidden truth, curiosity. Big companies suppressed it, anger. Science now admits it, authority. Even when evidence is weak or missing. Your bottom line: borax is useful but not magical. Some old uses were smart. Others were stopped for real safety reasons. It is not a miracle cure for fungus, health issues, deep cleaning problems. Simple rule to remember: borax, good cleaner, not a medicine.